Birthday boy, are you ready for your birthday celebration tomorrow?
I don't like to get old, but yeah.
Where are we going now? So it's like 1 hour away from Copenhagen. So we just booked last night. Actually, it's not we, it's I booked last night for tomorrow. And then we will stay there for tonight. It'll be fun.
Yay. Let's roll.
So we got a key for our cabin and we arrive already. Are you excited? Do you like the place?
I don't see it yet.
It's so nice, right?
Yeah.
So this is gonna be our place for tonight. Woo.
So it's like the house in Lithuania.
I know, it's very nice. So this is... Oh, you know what, Bob? Our house is 7 and your birthday is 7. Lucky. Wow, that's so nice. Hi, Flocky. Welcome to your new home.
Welcome to cabin number 7.
That?
Door.
Oh wow. They have a microwave. Also, wow, this is huge, right? Oven. And also, wow, fridge. And toaster and kettle. And this is the... Wow, there's like a ladder. Stairs to another... Wow, this is huge.
See those stairs? It's a bit like in Norway, just modern.
Living room with cute TV. Nice. And other room. Wow. So nice. And then oops. And the bathroom. Awesome. Happy? Do you like it? Birthday boy?
Thanks.
Do you like my gift?
Back.
Time to prepare for cooking. So we got some tuna, shrimps, and also mussels.
Rice is?
Like Rookie, where did you go? The birthday boy is awake. You're officially 28. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Gimtadieniu. Is it correct? Wrong. Happy birthday, dear Karolis. Look, he's eating the cake. Happy birthday to you. How do you feel? That is your birthday today?
Great.
Great? It's sunny. It's for you. Make a wish and then blow the candles. Yay! Happy birthday, boob.
Back.
And we got some breakfast here. He requested this one. It's toast omelette. I don't know, it's my first time making it. And we have some lemon cake, flowers from outside, and some Lithuanian How do you call this one? Like breakfast? Is your breakfast, right? Or snack?
2 eggs.
And some coffee, of course, and some chocolate eggs from Easter, and some Danish flags, even though you are Lithuanian. Haha. And your candle. Bon appetit! Happy birthday!
Say something.
Nothing. Last day.
Last morning.
Oh yeah, last morning. Let's go. Time to say goodbye to this tiny house. Let's go, Floki. How do you feel that we're leaving today?
Welcome back.
Welcome back when?